we gotta put new coilovers in this car, the old red coupe here. Dalton still hasn't got a passenger seat, so I'm limo specking it right now. But I don't know where Dalton's taking us. We're going through school zones.
This is my old elementary school.
Me too, man.
Nice.
L'école Willows.
Yes.
But
alright, let's go to Ben's.
yeah, let's go to Ben's. I don't know. We're going down a trip down memory lane apparently. Man, I remember you used to be able to stand in these hedges like they were hollow.
Oh.
Do you remember that?
I did that all the time.
Dude, I know, it was crazy.
Some freaky stuff went down in there.
So yeah, we're gonna throw the BCs in Dalton's car because these coils are bum. All right, we gotta stop at a grocery store, get some bubblies because this job here is gonna take all our hydration from us. I'm just lounging here. Look at this.
Isn't that nice?
Nutrition acquired.
Yes. We're gonna be filling our bellies with good stuff.
Yeah, because that's how you get a good work day going.
Yeah.
Alright, hopefully this doesn't fall off. Let's pull all the wheels off.
Why is it struggling to take these off?
Oh, it might be running out. The compressor might not be on. I busted these out with extreme speed. Dalton's over here struggling.
Hey.
Cool, man. It's pretty moist, eh? Wonder where that's leaking from. Maybe my repair here back in the day?
Maybe. What, you just stick some gum on there?
I just RTV'd all these like slashes in it. You guys know the drill. These nuts, the nuts in the engine bay, the top hats. Then these Godspeed coilovers are out.
Out.
Out and about.
Out and about. There she goes.
Yeah. Alright, give her a Yankee Doodle. Godspeed!
Sponsored by Godspeed.
That sucks. I don't know if I'd take that sponsorship. Actually, I would. Let's
Would
be
you?
real. I got no other sponsorship, so yeah. All right, let's get the rest of them. 7 more bolts left. 7 more nuts left, actually. All nuts. It's nuts.
You love nuts.
You just left it chilling there? Poopy, man.
Did you see that? Damn it. Why is it so magnetic? Yeah.
I think that's how speakers work, man.
Really? Like, look at this. God, this is gonna take forever.
Fuck, just fighting.
Damn. This motherfucker, man. It's on there, isn't it?
Yeah. Damn, that bolt went into the depths of hell. Oh, there it is. Now that the coilovers are out of the coupe, we're moving on to the hatch. So Dalton's just taking this wheel off.
Yep.
This Wheelie Daniels.
Yep.
And did you get the top nuts out on
Yep.
both sides?
Yep.
Top nuts are out on both sides and the front, so let's see if we can do this somewhat quickish.
One down.
Fresh BC out. Do we don't have any anti-seize? You should anti-seize up those threads. Oh. Alright, we're gonna clean these up. Bust out the other ones. Bust the other ones in here. Bust the other ones in here.
Bust each other.
Okay. And we talk. Rear's done on this car. Godspeed's in. BC's out. Out with the junk. In with the sick Godspeed coils. Now we gotta do the front. We gotta put everything in over here.
Yep.
We're over halfway. Actually, I think we're exactly halfway.
We're there.
Indeed. Ben is here. Dalton's put some sick Godspeeds, the fronts in. And me and Ben are each busting out one side of the BCs here in the front. And it's going down. We're yelling timber.
Timber.
Josh is coming. He's gonna come in the garage. Well, hopefully he doesn't come in it, but... Oh, there he is. He did come in it.
What did you think I was gonna do?
I said Josh is gonna come in the garage, and then I said, well, hopefully he doesn't. But you did.
Oh, gummies? Holy shit, you guys got a smorgasbord.
Yeah.
Little potluck?
Yeah. This thing's almost done. It's pretty sweet.
It's almost done.
Is that thing almost done?
Yeah.
Cool,
What are
man.
you doing on that then? Just disassembly?
No, we're swapping the coils.
Oh, right.
We got
Fucking
this little treasure trove. Oh, I was in there grabbing bolts and shit.
Were you actually? Fuck, I'd be like,
Where
oh,
was that?
I'd be like, oh fuck.
Could you imagine?
Just missing shit.
Yeah, we could have used that, honestly. We were looking for some bolts. Now I know for next time.
Yeah.
They look like that, like, stone head. Doesn't Dalton look like Nacho
From Easter
Libre?
Island?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Easter Island heads? He does kind of look like that.
But he also looks like Nacho Libre.
Or like...
Nacho!
Jojo, I need to borrow some sweets.
Look me in the eye.
Okay.
Look me in the face.
Alright, we're all in we're trying to eyeball align this,
I think it looks good.
but everyone's eyeball alignment machine
This is different.
is different. So we keep going back and forth, and the toe goes in, and then the toe goes out. So
Were they seized?
we're gonna get it fairly close, and we're gonna give up because you know what? It's not our car. So at the end of the day, it's gonna be good enough. We're getting the blimp view here for the alignment. So we'll just line this up. I'd say that's pretty straight. Wheels?
I like hair.
This side?
Hair flavored stuff.
I like a good pair.
Hair
Yeah,
what?
that's straight. That's straight for sure.
They're all too tight.
They're tight. Dalton's tires are at 14 psi, which is where you want them. Yeah. As long as your psi adds up to 60,
Yeah.
you're perfect. Including the spare.
Did you just kick me? Is that a pepper holder? Yeah. Coarse Kirkland coarse ground Malabar black pepper.
Not the Malabar. Not the Malabar.
went there once.
Malabar? That's not a place.
Where's Malabar?
You could pull even more camber in the rear of it one day. Just looks classy. Watts. All right, coilover test.
So much clearance. Thanks, man.
So much clearance.
Can't see Ben either.
So much clearance. Putting the windows down in these negative temperatures. So much clearance. Also with the exhaust, I did a little exhaust mod so hopefully it shouldn't rattle as much.
It does feel really nice, actually.
Hell yeah. Well, there you have it. Little coilover video for Dalton. Coilover swap-a-rooney. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe. If you want to pick up some merch, link down in the description. Also link down in the description to Garage Tenoshi if you want to pick up some S chassis parts. And yeah. What do you guys say to that, Dalton? Are you stoked on this coilover situation?
I'm super stoked. BC, hit us with the sponsorship.
Absolutely. Come on.
Oh, fuck.
On the one-way? You got the light on me? The domer? Alright, well, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Appreciate you for watching.
Thanks for the support.
Yeah,
the support's been great lately.
Thanks for the support. We haven't posted a video in like 2 months. Yeah. Alright, see you guys.
See ya.
The boys will try to